future I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Paquetia here. So I wanted to do a quick follow-up to my small business journey videos that I did maybe a month or so ago. I just wanted to circle back because there was some interest. And so I just want to close the loop and maybe settle any questions or just let you know kind of what the status of things is. So if you recall, I was kind of reconstructing my stationery business. We were moving from being heavily focused on a lot of the vendor markets and pop-up markets to reshifting our focus back to our e-commerce. That has definitely been a journey, let me just say. And it's been it feels like it's been a slow journey, honestly. One of the big changes is in our focus has been on marketing and really marketing to kind of our online audience. So building our email list, getting more consistent at sending out email campaigns that are targeted and focused on new products and things like that. But I've also started running Facebook ads through my website hosting platform. And so, again, we've started to see, which is really exciting, we've started to see orders coming in from those avenues, and we're getting orders every month, which is fantastic, because we hadn't been doing that. We had not gotten any orders through our website. I don't know. It's been a few months. I want to say maybe 6 months or more, simply because our attention and energy and all of our efforts were on a lot of the vendor markets, and we just want to move away from that, right? We just want to get away from the vendor market scene while maintaining the markets that were profitable and the markets that we enjoy. We enjoy working with the event planners. We enjoy kind of the area and the customers that frequent those markets. So in making all of those changes, I have decided that we would bring in some professionals to help us with our marketing strategy and techniques. So I'm really excited about that. We will start in 2 weeks working with this team. And as we kind of get into the nooks and crannies of everything, I may come back here and make another update and let you know how these things are going, and kind of what the details are of what we're going to be doing. But I have decided that we were going to do that and make the investment into, working with some strategic and professional marketing individuals, just to kind of help us move the ball forward. Because again, the goal for us is not to use vendor markets as a sole source of income. We really want our website to be the driving force behind our brand and then overall brand awareness. So if you're subscribed to our website already, you'll start seeing more and more of our email campaigns coming out. You'll start to see kind of more frequency around communications that come out from the website. We just haven't had the time to do that. And now that we've been really intentional about making the time, Now we just need to be more strategic about what that looks like, and what the overall experience will be for our customers. So that's where we are with that. As far as markets, it is holiday season. It is underway. So we will be participating in a couple of holiday markets that we enjoy. We're not going to do everything. We may bring a couple different markets in next year to our scope, but for the most part, we're just not going to go back to the market space. We've had a couple of invitations and I've had to turn down a couple of markets. And then the last thing is we are ramping up with a lot of our development resources. I don't ever see us really digging too deep into the digital space as far as having a number of digital products, but there will be some digital aspects to what we're doing, and just kind of continuing to grow the platform. And then actually this year has been a great year for kind of speaking engagements and interacting with a lot of small teams and small networking groups. So I have really had a lot of fun doing that. And I've seen a huge kind of awareness and growth and community building around those speaking engagements. So that is the direction that we're going to end up going in 2025. I think in this entire process, the big thing that I've learned is that stopping there was so much value in stopping. I think it is trying to keep up the same pace and going as fast as we were, and just, being afraid that if you make small changes in your business, that everything will crumble. Making those changes, again, vendor markets was profitable for us. It is profitable for us. It's very profitable for us. So slowing down and saying that, that's just not going to be part of our makeup, and then figuring out how we start all over again, it can be scary. It's nerve-wracking. It's all of those things. But consistency ensures commitment and vice versa, right? So, made some hard decisions, but we see that they're actually starting to pay off. So I'm happy that we did it. So hopefully, if you are a small business owner, if you're considering making kind of any, sweeping adjustments, that this is some sort of encouragement to you that if you really feel like that's what you're supposed to do, then that's probably what you should be doing. And making those changes, it's going to be painful. It may have an impact on your bottom line, but eventually, sometimes you just have to reset in order to get back on course. And that's what we did. So I wanted to come back. I wanted to close the loop on that conversation that we were having. And just share some updates. So I'm really excited about working with this team and seeing where it goes. I've got great expectations for the future and certainly for next year. So with that said, if you stayed to the end, thank you so much. Definitely go ahead and like the video, share it with your business bestie, especially if they are thinking about how they can transition their small business, or if they're even just doing kind of an entire brand overhaul. We're all about community over here, and I would love to hear from you. So certainly leave me a comment below and let me know if you are making any changes, if you're considering it, if you've done it, and how was your experience. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you this Thursday. I know I said I was planning on making another video last week, but didn't get around to it, but it's on the way. So subscribe to the channel and I will talk to you later.